let's upscale this Dollar Tree gift bag. So I found this really cute bag at Dollar Tree. However, I feel like it's missing something. So I went to my craft room, went into my glitter box, and I need some pink for the cheeks. And I also need some silver for the elephant. Using a glue stick, we are going to apply some glue on the cheek. And as you can see, this pink is very different from the color that the elephant has on the cheek. So what we're going to do, we're going to just use our finger, get a little bit of glitter on there, and sprinkle it on. If you get the glitter and pour it on, it's going to completely cover it. And all of that bright color of the glitter is just going to change the whole color scheme that the bag has. As you could tell, it's like a very palish, light colors. And so we're going to repeat the same process as well for the ears and the trunk. We're going to leave the glitter on there for it to dry, and until the end of the video, we're going to remove the glitter. This gift bag is going to be for a girl baby shower, so it needs a bow. I got my ribbon, folded in half to be able to find halfway, and that is where I'm going to fold in the pieces and add my hot glue gun. Now that it's all stuck together, we can now accordion fold this. By doing a little accordion fold, it creates flaps and gives it more of a bow look to it. To help with the process, add a little bow in between each folding, and then that way the next step is going to be so much easier. Now that that is set, we're going to get another piece and we're going to fold it into 3 parts. This ribbon is kind of thick, so that's why we need to fold it. Wrap it around, add some more glue, and there you have created a very cute bow. Now add some more glue to attach in the center of the forehead of the elephant. This bag came without one of the handles, so I have to create handles for it. I grabbed the one that was already on there, cut the piece into the size. So this ribbon is already like a peaches color, which I think goes perfectly with the bag. So one of the ends, I put it in through one of the holes. The other one goes in the other. We're going to create some knots so it could hold into place. And we're going to repeat the same process to the other side to create handles of the bag. And now we can now dust off the glitter. And there you have it. It's an easy way how to upscale and DIY a gift bag.